Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson, and here's the seafood news for the week of October 28th, 2019. In this week's episode, we review the sole market and current catch data.
This episode is brought to you by our Sinbad Platinum brand. Sinbad Platinum is our all-natural, premium quality brand that is produced in North America. Our Platinum brand is our highest quality value-added line, only once frozen with zero additives. Find out more on our website at tradexfoods.com/ourbrands.
As Chinese plants are hopeful of North American demand for sole to recover, the looming final decisions of the most recent U.S. imposed tariff hike from 25 to 30% has kept most of the industry at bay. U.S. demand for Chinese processed sole never really picked back up this year, sending prices on a slight downward trend. Raw material pricing in China this time last year, when the U.S. imposed tariffs was only 10%, was around $1 a pound U.S. dollars. Current raw material pricing are now hovering around 84 cents under the looming 30% tariff. Chinese plants actually anticipated the price to drop even further. However, they reported that they did not receive as much supply from Alaska as seen in previous years. They advised that because of the difficulties in selling sole into China, Alaskan boats turned to harvesting other species. Though imports of Alaskan sole into China are down, large packers in China are reporting that they have enough inventory for production before Chinese New Year and are observing pricing of new season in January. With good control over inventories, China has reported steady sales of sole into the EU, mostly in the form of fillets. Now on to Alaska catch data for sole. Overall, year-to-year catch limits and totals are steady. The total allowable catch for all species of sole in Alaska was 260,000, 257,000, and 259,000 metric tons for 2019, 18, and 17, respectively. Current 2019 harvest totals for sole in Alaska is about 61% of the total allowable catch at 160,000 metric tons landed. In 2018, Alaskan fishermen landed roughly 68% of the total allowable catch at 174,000 metric tons landed. Our advice is to make conservative inventory purchases. On another note, we are in the last week of National Seafood Month, so we encourage you to make a commitment to purchasing sustainable seafood. Tradex Foods' current sustainability rating score is 98%. This means that 98% of raw materials harvested for our Sinbad, Sinbad Gold, and Sinbad Platinum and private label production were from sustainable fisheries. Contact Tradex Foods to find out how we can help you purchase more sustainable seafood. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Ryerson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.